I'm not really that big into seasonality, particularly in the environment we're in, but I do. You did make me think about one thing. So let's go back to the fact that the fear and greed index has gotten down to these levels, and I want to use an analogy for people to understand, to connect that back to what I said, that you're going to be climbing a wall of worry for a long time. Anyone who thought that all of a sudden, the economy's going to get better, meaning everyone's going to be doing well, that doesn't happen in a world of AI. And this is the thing that I've talked about, where the K-shaped economy, if you want to use something, imagine if we didn't have weather cycles, meaning seasons. So seasons, to get back to your seasonality, let's assume it could snow in the summertime. And let's assume we didn't have the weathermen to tell us what was coming. So you drive your car one day, it's San Diego outside, it's 80 and beautiful, and the next day it's 22 and there's 6 inches of snow. With seasons, you get the time to prepare for the snow. You get to go through it. In a world of AI where we have a K-shaped economy, I really do believe the seasons are going to be shorter, meaning they're going to be 1 month or 2 months. And out of nowhere, you can make a bearish argument. And what people have to understand, this fear and greed index is about narratives. You see that in the University of Michigan consumer confidence level, which is at all-time lows. And so I've highlighted before that the all-time peak in consumer confidence was in March of 2000 or December of 99, that period in there, which was when everyone was doing well. This is a very different time period where we have a K-shaped economy. And in a K-shaped economy, it's very easy for people to get negative very, very quickly. When you're very polarized, that means it starts from half the country hates the president. It's a very, very different situation. And I think as long as we're in a K-shaped economy, people have to realize that that situation creates these issues where people can get negative very quickly. And I think AI is forcing this. Exponential innovation did it. And so that's why I keep saying to people, at the end of the day, what'll matter for AI is NVIDIA blew out numbers this week.